Traverse camping trip. We had a little issue with the truck that had been getting worse and worse. I wanted to talk to you about. Now, when you're gonna go out and do an adventure like this, make sure you bring tools with you, okay? I don't care how new your rig is. Mine is only got 20,000 miles on it. I just had a 20,000 mile service done on it at the dealer. Because it comes with 36,000 miles of service. So I kept hearing this noise from this driver's front tire. Sounded like I had a rock or something stuck in the brake caliper. Alright, kept getting worse, kept getting worse, kept getting worse. Finally started making crunching sounds. Thought it sounded just like there was a wheel bearing. So we shimmied on down through here and went to the campground right down the road. Got it on some flat ground, jacked it up, pulled the tire off of it. I went to put the lug nut key on this lug nut, and I put the 4-way on it, and I'm like, that ain't the right one, that's just spinning. No, the lug nuts, none of them were tight. I could move all of them with my fingers with the key. So the whole rim was loose. Luckily, it wasn't loose enough to wallow out the holes, and if they are walled out, the dealer's going to replace them. And from the rotor being able to go back and forth, it was hitting the shield behind it and was making all my noise. So got that off there. I bent the shield back a little bit with a pry bar, tightened the thing back up, noise gone, problem solved. Alright, probably bored you to death with all that, but here's camp, set up as usual. I actually already been down to camp, around camp, and picked up all of the litter that other people have left. So already got that. We're gonna pack that out of here. I do that every time I come to a camp like this. If I see junk laying around, I did find that tennis ball, but I kept that for dog. But all the junk I find, I pick up. So save it for the next guy. But don't be that guy. So we got the Kent-made collapsible charcoal chimney going with some B&B lump charcoal. Got that fired up. I've got the 10-inch Lodge Dutch oven tonight. We got that fired up. We got the Lodge 4-in-1 tool. Lodge don't pay me, by the way. Talk about none of their stuff. But I do think they make one of the better Dutch ovens out there right now. Tried a few of them. Kent-mades are all made in China. These are still made in USA. Alright. So what we're going to make tonight is smoked sausage, potatoes, and onions. I'm going to do a little different than you might think. So out here at camp, I try to make just enough for me and Mrs. Backwoods. We don't like leftovers, no place to store them. I like red potatoes for this dish too. And I'm going to go ahead and slice them in about 1/2-inch slices in one direction. Split them open. And come back and about 1/4-inch slice the other direction. So they're kind of like thick half moons like that. If you got any bad spots, just set them to the side. Put them over here in our pan. Alright, and I picked 5. I think that's about the right amount that we can eat. Sometimes you can slice some of the bad spots off before you get going. Go ahead and cut these up. We'll move on to the onions. Alright, so we got our potatoes cut up using my DALSTRONG Crisix knife here. If you'd like to check out the DALSTRONG knife line of products, and it's big, really big. You can find, I don't care what you're looking for, you're gonna find it over there. They have been supporting our channel for a while, and the reason they have been supporting our channel for a while is because I really dig their products, and I love every one of them we have. I really do. So check out the link in the first comment and the description box below to DALSTRONG knives. Decide you want to make a purchase over there. Every purchase you do make will help our channel a little bit, and help us keep on making videos for you guys. I want to chop these. I forgot to go the other way on these. It'll be a rough chop on these guys. You want them still, you don't want them cooked out all the way. So let's get those over in a pan, and we'll get our Dutch oven going. So we got our free little plate that we make for camp grills, Dutch ovens, camping. Go ahead, put our Dutch oven on, let it start getting hot. So, as everyone knows, every good Dutch oven dish starts out with a little bacon. And there's one slice of thick sliced bacon. This came from Carrol Sausage and Meats. They call this a regular slice, but in a normal grocery store, that's thick slice. Alright, let's go ahead and start browning this bacon off. Spread that all around. You're never going to get your Dutch oven perfectly level when you're out here at camp, so don't even, I mean, you can try, but you don't get it perfect. Don't worry about it. Give that just a couple minutes. Start releasing some of its yummy goodness. So you see the bacon's already drawing up and rendering. Dump our whole pan. Potatoes and onions in there. I'm going to stick the lid on. In 3-4 minutes, go ahead and give that salt, pepper, and garlic. Pretty good dose. All right, potatoes need a lot of salt. Today I'm using Killer Hogs AP. 8 minutes or so. They're softening up nice. Our goal here is not to brown these much. I mean, you're gonna pick up a little color. They smell wonderful right now. Alright, at this point we're going to go ahead and pour in about a cup of chicken stock. Maybe about 3/4 a cup. Just cover them. However many potatoes you got, bring your chicken stock up right to the top of them, just like that. Put your lid back on. Another 10 minutes. Alright guys, we're getting ready to finish this up. Go ahead and take my sausage. I'm going to take this batch. You make it for your family, use the whole thing. Make it for 2 people, use half a link. Today I got Carrol Sausage and Meats. If you go back and look at the rest of this series, you'll see our stop at this great place and get this sausage. Alright, we're just going to go cut our little bias pretty thin, and we'll see how much we end up with. I may need a little more. We're going to get a little more. Just maybe just a little bit. Maybe the rest of the little crook. Guys, I'm running behind on this video because of our issues with our trail fix we had to do. But at this point the potatoes are soft. Go ahead and put in all of those sausages in there. Nestle them down, the lid back on. We'll get our final ingredients ready. So my last ingredients are going to be whole milk. I use half and half, cream, depending on how rich you want it. Parsley, flat leaf parsley. Okay, so pretty good. Little trimming of that. Gonna give it a nice little finish. Probably about a quarter of a cup. You want it to be cut up pretty good. Like I said, we're racing daylight. I wasn't planning on having to do a trail fix today. That right there, we'll put that in just last minute. Alright, sausage in there about 5-6 minutes. Starting to render down. Coming in with a little milk. Those potatoes are thickened up really nice. Alright. The milk or cream is going to give it some richness. Now we're going to put in a big handful of parsley. Put in as much or as little as you like. Cilantro probably great. And we'll let that cook down just a little bit more so it re-thickens. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm taking it out. Yeah, a piece of my spatula fell off in there. That's what it was. Alright. Put another pinch of parsley. And that's going to flavor it all really nice. The lid. Over here we're going to leave the lid off. Let it come back up to simmer. Guys, so the dark has snuck up on us. Go ahead. Get that joker off the fire. Bring it over to our table. I'll walk around all these strings. Getting ready to eat. Time to serve it up. Like I said, it's more like a stew. Those potatoes are cooked down. It's a nice creamy sauce. Hearty comfort food while camping. It's chilly, so it's going to taste really good. So Mrs. Backwoods always gets the first plate. You're out in the wilderness, not a studio. This is going to be taste test for you guys, and of course I got GoPro on. Can't really film myself, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste for you. They're hot. I'll tell you what, that's some awesome food right there. Very simple, very easy to make at camp in your Dutch oven.